Instagram message unsend button not working. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio. If your Instagram message unsend not working, then here's the step-by-step guide of how you can fix the problem. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This really helps me out. Well, so if your Instagram message unsend button not working, then this might be a software glitch. The very first thing that you have to do, go ahead and open up the settings app from your phone, and from the settings, find out the app section. Once you get the app, go ahead and tap on the apps right here, and inside this one, you just need to find out the Instagram application. Once you search with the Instagram, you'll get the Instagram application. Go ahead and tap on these, and from the Instagram app info, you just need to scroll down a little bit and tap on the storage. And once you're here inside the storage, tap on clear cache, and once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and then simply go and open up the Play Store and then search for Instagram here. Go and tap on Instagram and tap on the Instagram again, and if you find any pending update, go ahead and update your Instagram application to the very latest version. And once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. Just go ahead and restart your phone once. And once you do that, most likely your problem is going to be solved and your unsend button will start working. But if in any case, after doing all this process, if you're still facing the same issue, then this might be a server issue. All you have to do is just need to wait some time in order to fix this problem automatically. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.